Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as an agent in Visual Studio Code. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to use ChatGPT as your coding agent in Visual Studio Code, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop. And once you're in VS Code, go to the Extensions tab on the left side of your screen. You can also open it quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+X on your keyboard. And then here in the search bar, type Codex. After searching, you will now see the extension. Now, before installing anything, make sure that you're selecting the official Codex extension from OpenAI. This part is very important because you'll be giving the extension access to your code and files inside VS Code. Since your code can contain important information or private projects, you should avoid installing random or untrusted extensions that claim to be ChatGPT or AI coding assistants. So always double-check that you're installing the official extension from OpenAI before proceeding. And once you've confirmed that it's the correct extension, click Install. After that, just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's finished, let's now try it by making our new project and see if it will work. So I'll just create a new folder and name it Demo. And then open that folder in VS Code. And here, you'll see different AI providers that you can use. Here, we'll select Codex. And after selecting Codex, this is usually when the sign-in prompt will appear. So just click Sign In and log in using your ChatGPT account. And once you've successfully logged in, you can now start using ChatGPT directly inside Visual Studio Code. For example, you can ask it to generate code, explain what a piece of code does, fix errors, suggest improvements, write comments, or even help you build an entire project. In my case, I will ask it to make a simple website. You can simply type your prompt in the chat box just like how you normally use ChatGPT. The more specific your instructions are, the better and more accurate the responses usually become. After giving the prompt, just wait for the AI to complete the task. And then that's it, guys. As you can see, the AI was able to create a simple website just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.